Chicken and egg soup recipe. 1 cup cooked chicken, shredded, 4 cups chicken broth, 2 eggs. 1 cup mixed vegetables, carrots, peas, corn, 1/2 cup cooked rice or noodles, optional. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon ginger, minced. Salt and pepper to taste, green onions for garnish, optional. 1. In a pot, bring the chicken broth to a simmer over medium heat. 2. Add shredded chicken, mixed vegetables, and minced ginger to the simmering broth. Cook until the vegetables are tender. 3. Crack the eggs into the simmering soup, one at a time, allowing them to poach without beating. 4. Add soy sauce, salt, and pepper to taste. Adjust the seasoning as needed. 5. If desired, stir in cooked rice or noodles and let the soup simmer for a few more minutes until everything is heated through. 6. Remove the soup from heat and ladle into bowls. 7. Garnish with green onions if desired. Enjoy your hearty chicken and egg soup. I hope you like this recipe, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And on which recipe to make the next video, please tell us in the comments section.